Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is almost at Friday. I have Friday on the brain. Thursday, the 16th of September 2021. I'm looking at four things and I can't talk. Okay, Cardano, real quick. I mean, ever since the breakdown that occurred last Tuesday, I believe that was last Tuesday, wasn't it? Yes. There's been a pretty good, just a really general consolidation going on here. Now, the warning sign for Cardano is twofold here. First is the lagging span dropping below the candlesticks, okay? Actually, threefold. The first is the third one is an externality, which is hard to quantify, but nonetheless is one that we know will affect cryptocurrencies. I'll go over that one first right now because I know I'll forget it. It's danger with risk-on markets like the stock market. When those start to get freaked out, then money pulls back, and they will pull back out of cryptocurrencies too. So Cardano's lagging span is below the candlesticks. It's below this candle. That is near-term bearish if it closes below. That'll be the first close below the candlesticks since, not really July or June. I don't really need to be that picky, but I'm going to be. That'd be the first close since August 3rd of this year. Now, as you look over here, man, I got to fix that squeaky floor up there. We've got the really tight congestion zone going on here. So you've got price, you got lagging span below the candlesticks, and now you've got the current close below the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen. All right. I know by the time people are going to look at this, it's going to be well beyond. But when you look at the hourly chart, you can see this, support level that exists kind of sloping up. It's under threat from breaking down. And folks, when it does break down, it's going to be pretty violent. It's going to be pretty massive. And we are going to likely enter into sub $2 ranges. So just be aware of that. So be careful out there with Cardano on the weekly chart. I mean, things are they look okay, except there's some clear hidden bearish divergence that exists between the RSI and the composite index. But here's the thing. That really doesn't matter because things are in a bull market on the weekly chart. But we have crossed back down below 0.8, and there's a pretty sharp hook on all three of these oscillators. So there's the warning. I still think, in order before we'll pull up higher, we'll probably have to see a close on the weekly chart, around that $2, probably under that $2 level. So just be aware of that as we're moving forward. And I think that pretty much, I'm just checking my notes here. I think that pretty much does it for Cardano. Yep, that does. So be careful out there, especially with the daily chart showing that there could be a close below the candlesticks. This entire bearish scenario will be invalidated if we get a close where, we'd have to see, Cardano would have to move all the way back up to $3 in order for that to happen. But it could. But you can see 50s holding as a resistance area instead of support zone. So be on the lookout for that. Anyways, that does it for me. Thank you all. Hope you guys have had a good Thursday so far. Take care of yourselves. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.